बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हार्वर्ड एकेडमी की तरफ से आपको खुशामदीद कहते हैं। डियर एस्पिरेंट्स, आज से हम अपने एक नए कोर्स का आगाज़ कर रहे हैं और ये कोर्स डेफिनेटली आपने अभी करंट जॉब्स जहाँ पे भी देखी होंगी, स्पेशली एफपीएससी की बात करें तो उसमें उन्होंने 2 साल जो पिछले हैं प्रीवियस, उसमें जितने नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे मेन इश्यूज़ हैं उनके ऊपर जनरल नॉलेज की बेस पे या करंट अफेयर्स की नाम से उसमें से क्वेश्चंस पूछने का कहा गया है। तो डेफिनेटली इसको एक ही वक्त में आप सारी चीज़ें याद नहीं रख सकते, तब जब तक आप डे टू डे हालात में नज़र ना रखें। तो हम इस मामले में एक दिन में जितने भी इम्पॉर्टेंट इवेंट्स होंगे उन पे काम करना चाह रहे हैं कि एक लेसन ऐसा बनाएं जिनमें एक दिन के जितने भी इश्यूज़ हों वो हम आपको एक समरी की फॉर्म में सामने एक वीडियो के फॉर्म में पेश करें, जिससे आप उसको ईज़िली अपने आप को अपडेट रख सकते हैं। तो ये वे टू सक्सेस पे हम सारे के सारे इनको अपडेट करना मुश्किल होगा। तो इसके लिए हमने ऑलरेडी हमारा एक जनरल नॉलेज का एक चैनल है, उसके ऊपर ये अपलोड करेंगे। तो उसका लिंक भी आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, तो आप इससे अपडेट रह सकते हैं। तो आज हम 27 मई के जो इवेंट्स हैं उन पे बात करेंगे, नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे जितने भी इवेंट्स थे। नंबर 1 है एनसीयूएससी ने कुछ डिसीजंस लिए थे, उसके बारे में ओपन वैक्सीन रजिस्ट्रेशन टू ऑल पीपल विद CNIC। जितने भी लोगों के CNICs हैं उनको कोविड-19 की रजिस्ट्रेशन शुरू कर दी गई है, ताकि वो आने वाले वक्त में जब वैक्सीनेशन स्टार्ट हो तो एज ग्रुप वाइज वो अपनी वैक्सीनेशन करवा सकें। 4 days आफ्टर अलाउिंग वैक्सीनेशन ऑफ सिटीजन एजेड 30 एंड अबव अगेंस्ट कोविड-19, द नेशनल कमांड एंड ऑपरेशन सेंटर NCOC on May 26, 2021 decided to open registration for people over 18 years having computerized national identity cards from Thursday. Around 39 million people will benefit from this decision, and almost 100% of the population that can be vaccinated has become eligible for registration. Moreover, 2,724 people were infected by the virus and 65 died during the last 24 hours, with the national positivity rate recorded at 4.61%. Further, point number 2, PM launches health cards for Sahiwal Digikhan. Prime Minister Imran Khan on May 26, 2021 said that provision of health cards to every citizen would ensure complete and free health coverage, which he said was unimaginable during past governments in the country. कि लोगों को हेल्थ कार्ड देना जो मेन मकसद था, और उनका विज़िट था साहिवाल और डीजी खान में, उन्होंने वहाँ पे ऐलान किया। Addressing a ceremony for the launch of Sehat Sahulat card for the people of Sahiwal and Dera Ghazi Khan divisions, the Prime Minister said that with the extension of health card facility to every family in Punjab, the poor would no longer have to worry about medical treatment. तीसरा डिसीजन ECC का था, ओकेज ₹48 billion for एहसास कैश हैंडआउट्स. The Economic Coordination Committee ECC of the Cabinet on May 26, 2021 approved the launch of second phase of the Ehsaas Emergency Cash Program EECP worth ₹48 billion, under which ₹12,000 would be provided to each of the 4 million additional beneficiaries. The meeting of the ECC, which virtually presided over by Minister for Finance and Revenue Shaukat Tareen, also approved issuance of a series of notifications for the implementation of Pakistan's single window for imports and exports, and constituted a committee to suggest how to ensure payment of net idle profits to provinces, including an upfront payment of ₹87 billion without burdening the federal budget. Further, point number 8, KP to hold exams for 10th, 12th grades from June 23rd. The education boards have unanimously decided that they will hold the annual examination for 10th and 12th grades from June 23rd under the government's standard operating procedures for coronavirus prevention and control. They also agreed that examinations for 9th and 11th grades would begin a week after the conclusion of 10th and 12th grade examination if the COVID-19 cases are found to be under control. The decision came during the meeting of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Board's Chairman Committee. Further, point number 5, TTP के मुतालिक इंफॉर्मेशन कमांडर एक TTP का 3 other terrorists killed in Quetta City ने ये क्लेम किया है. 4 suspected members of the banned extremist outfit, including a commander, were killed in an intelligence-based operation of the counter-terrorism city in Kili Akbar area of the provincial capital. A spokesman for the city said the operation was planned on the basis of intelligence reports about the presence of members of the banned organization in Kili Akbar, a locality on the outskirts of Quetta city. In the early hours of May 26, 2021, CTD personnel subsequently cordoned off the area where the hideouts of the wanted extremist was located. Upon learning this, the armed members of the banned organization opened fire on the security officials in a bid to escape from the area. Point number 6 है CM announces 25% pay raise for government employees. Chief Minister Mahmood Khan on Wednesday announced 25% increase in salaries of provincial government employees from June 1st. Mr. Khan made the announcement in a press conference which was also attended by Minister for Finance Taimur Salim Jagda, KP government spokesperson Kamran Bangash and Minister for Labour Shaukat Yousafzai. A statement issued here said that the Chief Minister also announced Rs 4,000 monthly increase in pay of daily wages. Point number 7 है radical groups cannot dictate government policies, European Union assured. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi on May 26, 2021 emphasized a productive and constructive partnership with the European Union and said the government would not be held hostage by any radical group in its external ties. Virtually addressing the Foreign Affairs Committee of the European Parliament, Mr. Qureshi underscored the enormous potential of the bilateral relationship and expressed Pakistan's readiness to continue to work for mutually beneficial ties. He noted that Pakistan European Union Strategic Engagement Plan SEP had provided a solid foundation and framework for multi-dimensional cooperation between the two sides. Point number 8 जो है important news जो है वो Amazon rose for MGM's Lion to pay over $8 billion for studio. Amazon.com Incorporation said on May 26, 2021 it had signed a deal with MGM to buy the fabled US movie studio home to the James Bond franchise for $8.45 billion, giving it a huge library of films and TV shows and ramping up competition with streaming rivals led by Netflix and Disney+. The deal aims to bolster Amazon's television-focused studio with new and historic filmmaking from MGM, which has claimed other lucrative series including Rocky and Pink Panther since its founding in 1924. Streaming video helps the world's largest online retailer draw consumers to subscribe to Prime, a club with fastest shipping, and shop more once they are members. Privately held MGM or Metro Goldwyn Mayer also owns the Apex cable channel and makes popular TV shows including Fargo, Vikings and Shark Tank. 9वें नंबर पे जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है जो इम्पॉर्टेंट अपडेट है, व्हाट्सएप गोज टू कोर्ट टू इंडिया अगेंस्ट क्लैम्प डाउन। WhatsApp has launched legal action to stop India enforcing new social media rules effective on May 26, 2021 that the tech firm says will break its privacy guarantees. The regulations come amid growing tensions between the government and social media giants, with police investigation a move by Twitter to ban a tweet by spokesperson for Prime Minister Narendra Modi ruling party as manipulative. The new rules demand that social media companies give details of the first originator of posts deemed to undermine India's sovereignty, state security और public order। 10वें नंबर पे जो न्यूज़ है वो है पैसिफिक विटनेस सुपरमून एक्लिप्स सेम डे। Stargazers across the Pacific cast their eyes skyward on May 26, 2021 to witness a rare super blood moon as the heavens aligned to bring a spectacular lunar eclipse. The first total lunar eclipse in 2 years took place at the same time as the moon was closest to Earth, in what astronomers say is a once in a decade show. Anyone living between Australia and central United States was able to see an enormous bright orangey red moon if the skies were clear। तो आज का ये सेशन यहाँ पे क्लोज़ करते हैं। आप इस वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाके हमारे जिस चैनल पे हम डे टू डे करंट अफेयर्स को अपडेट करेंगे उसको सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, ताकि आपको डेली बेसिस पे जो भी हम वीडियो अपडेट करें वो आपको मिल जाए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।